We all know who Taylor Swift is. She is an extremely successful singer-songwriter, producer, director, actor, and businesswoman. But did you also know she is the bee's knees at SEO? In today's digital marketplace, achieving success requires a profound comprehension of search engine optimization. More than just relying on keywords and backlinks, SEO is a dynamic discipline that harnesses strategic content, audience engagement, and technical optimization to attain higher ranking in search engine results. Taylor Swift's proficiency in these principles comes as no surprise. Her techniques translate into an effective SEO strategy, establishing connections with her audience, creating captivating content, and leveraging timing to maximize impact. If you want to get your website to the top of the Google charts, then here are SEO tips you can use that Taylor Swift uses to gain SEO success. Track your SEO performance. Similar to Swift's approach to her music career, regularly assess your progress and adapt your strategies accordingly. Employ analytical tools to gain insights into what is effective and what is not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies and attain improved results. Mastering SEO is a potent process encompassing various aspects, such as comprehending your audience, generating compelling content, timely releases, and monitoring performance. Authenticity, audience understanding, and commitment to excellence are essential elements to embrace. Armed with these guidelines, you're on the path to achieving SEO success. If you want more tips and advice regarding all things SEO, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thank you for watching. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.